Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download a bank statement from Halifax mobile app. To download your bank statement from the Halifax mobile banking app, follow these steps. First, open the app. Launch the Halifax mobile banking app on your smartphone, then log in. Sign in securely using your fingerprint, Face ID or password. Select your account. From the account overview, tap on the specific account for which you want the statement. Access the menu. Tap the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the screen. Then choose Statement Options. Select Download or Print Statement from the menu. Select Statement Period. Choose the statement period you wish to download. Then tap Download to save the statement as a PDF to your device. Now here is additional information for you. Accessing past statements. You can view and download statements dating back up to 10 years within the app. Paper statements. If you prefer a hard copy, you can order paper statements through the app and they will be mailed to you within 10 working days. Format. Statements are downloaded in PDF format, suitable for printing or digital record keeping. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.